Hello everyone, today we are going to create 3D modeling for exercise number 3. Okay, open your AutoCAD software and in here I will use the top view. You can create circle, start from this point and can set a radius into 18. We use scroll mouse to zoom in and you can also zoom out. The next I will create circle, start from this point. We give a radius into 8. And we create again a circle with a radius 6. Okay. The next I will create circle from 2 points. You can press shift button, right click and choose mid between 2 points. You can click from this point into here, so it will be appear in the center of 2 points. In here we can set the radius into 3, and I will use copy tools to copy this circle object. Start from this point. We use mid between 2 points again. Start from this point into this point. The next use mirror command to mirror this circle object from this point to here. Okay. Now we can create line. Start from this point. Move to the right here. We can set into 40. And then I will use mirror command to mirror these objects, these circles. Start from middle point to the top here. Okay, we create again line. Start from this point into this point. And now I will use line command to connect between these 2 points. Okay, also in here. The next use mirror command to mirror this line object. Start from this point into here. You can use trim command to cut the circle. Okay, we cut again at this point, also in here. Use the join command to combine these all objects, and you can click this are already combined, also in here and at these objects. We can use orbit tools. You can press shift button, hold, and press middle mouse, so it will be create orbit tools. In here I will use extrude tools to extrude these objects to the bottom here. We can set into 5. Okay, and then so we can extrude again these objects to the top. We can set into 15. Now I will extrude again these objects to the top, and we can move these objects to the top here. Okay, move this object to the top with distance 5. We can press enter. We can use subtract tools to subtract this object with this object, so it will be quite holes. You can see in set with edge. Okay, this will be quite holes. Indeed, we can create circle from center point. You can type C, press enter, and we can create start from this point. Center point, you can use right click and choose a center. Okay, click at this point and we can set into 3. Next we create again from center point in here with the radius 3. Okay, we can change into 2D wireframe. Now I will use extrude tools to extrude these objects, circles. You can select these all circles. And then we can move to the bottom here. You can change again into set with edge, and then in here we can use subtract tools. You can type subtract. We select these objects, and also in here we subtract with these cylinder objects. You can press enter, so it will be correct hole in here. You can press F7 to hide curve. Okay. We already create these simple 3D models with AutoCAD for exercise number 3. If you have any question about these tutorials, you can comment below this video.